Hello friends, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to add Siri voice effects on your Instagram Reels. First of all, I'm gonna tapping on this plus icon here and selecting Reel, and I'm gonna adding a dummy reel here, tapping on add, preview, tapping on A, and I'm gonna adding my text here, tapping on done. And after adding the text, all you have to need just double tap on your text, and here you will get this three dot icon. So tap on that, tap on text to speech, and now you have to select voice 1 or voice 2 and tap on done, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.